when you look at loss and damage, for me, it is something that is stackable because, as I would have intimated earlier, before you are able to deal with one disaster, there's another on your doorstep. And you find yourself in this cycle where you never fully recovered, but there's so many other demands on the national front that you have to deal with. And the little that you have by way of national income, it is always a tough decision in terms of what is allocated to healthcare. During the pandemic, I can tell you in St. Lucia, we had a particular situation where, I mean, we never saw COVID impacting our education system the way it did. And I'm sure no small island state throughout the world was spared. Then we had to make the rapid transition from face-to-face instruction to online learning. But you cannot have an effective online learning platform if the students don't have devices. So whereas you want to continue with your city fences and you want to deal with matters of adaptation, you also have 26,000 school children who do not have devices in sufficient amounts to allow education to continue. So it is really a struggle, and as I would have said, you cannot look at dealing with climate change in isolation of your other national development imperatives. It poses an existential threat. We are here today, and we can quickly vanish tomorrow. So the faster we can put in place mechanisms that would make access to financing less bureaucratic, I think the better it will be for small island states on a number of fronts.